Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through this week's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end the holiday shortened week. Well, they all ended higher, with the Dow up by almost 1.5% on the week, followed by the small cap Russell 2000 rising nearly 0.8%. The S&P 500 and the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 also closed higher on the week. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with consumer discretionary leading the way, rallying 2.5%, followed by energy as crude oil also rallied. To the downside, utilities and tech were the leading laggards. Let's now take a look at some of the biggest stories of the week. Nvidia notched a new all-time high, and it continued to climb to a more than $3.3 trillion market cap, surpassing Microsoft to become the most valuable company in the world during the week. The company's success comes from its high-end processors, leading to a dominating role in the world's surge for artificial intelligence technology. Nvidia holds more than 80% market share for AI chips as the company continues to beat Wall Street's high expectations. Nvidia shares, however, have since pulled back, closing 4% lower on the week. GameStop shares tumbled following the company's annual shareholder meeting on Tuesday. During the meeting, CEO Ryan Cohen emphasized a continued focus on profitability through cost efficiencies and a more streamlined retail presence. The meeting lasted all of 15 minutes and also included Cohen's brief remarks about closing an unspecified number of stores in the near future. GameStop shares closed down nearly 17% this week. And Trump Media and Technology Group sank after revealing the SEC had signed off on its registration statement and on the resale of shares and warrants. This ruling enables shareholders to publicly resell securities, and the warrants are eligible to be exercised for cash. Trump Media and Technology closed down 25% this week, while also being down nearly 44% this month. Let's look at what to watch for next week. Consumer confidence and Richmond Fed will be released on Tuesday. Jobless claims, durable goods, and the first quarter GDP release comes on Thursday. Friday brings PCE and consumer sentiment. Then on the earnings front, Carnival and FedEx report Tuesday. General Mills, Levi Strauss, and Micron report Wednesday. Then Walgreens Boots Alliance and Nike report on Thursday to round out the week. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.